Welcome to a new Tech Solutions video. Today I will teach you how to share all liked Spotify songs. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. The easiest way to share all liked Spotify songs is to use the desktop app. Follow these steps. 1. Open the Spotify desktop app and sign in to your account. 2. Find the list of songs that you want to add to your playlist. 3. Click on the first song in the list. 4. Hold down the Shift key and click on the last song in the list that you want to add to your playlist, or scroll down and click on the last song. 5. Right-click on the selected songs and select New Playlist. 6. Enter a name for your playlist and click Create. 7. Your playlist will be created and added to the left-hand side of the screen. And 8. To share your playlist, click on the 3 dots next to the playlist name and select Share. And that's it. It's very simple. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in a next Tech Solutions video.